Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to sum values based on selection of drop-down list in Google Sheets using a simple and effective formula. Step 1. Let's say you're tracking personal expenses in a Google Sheet. You have a column for categories like food, education, and entertainment, and another column for the amount spent in each. Step 2. To calculate total expenses for a selected category, start by creating a drop-down list. Click on a cell, go to Data, then Data Validation, and choose the range that contains your category names. Step 3. Click on the cell where you want to show the total. Type =SUMIF, then for the range, select the entire category column. This tells Google Sheets which items to match. Step 4. Next, type a comma and click the cell with the drop-down selection. Then add another comma and select the amount column where the values to be added are listed. Step 5. Close the bracket and hit Enter. Now, when you change the category from the drop-down, the total updates automatically based on your selection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and smart spreadsheet tips.